it's the end of day 4 of Gaming Libraries All Aboard Expo 2025 sa QC. It's been a wonderful 4 days of gaming,
Yay!
fun, friendship, and commerce.
And buying more games to play.
So medyo masaya. I did not expect it to be such a big event. Because normally yung
This is the first time daw na huge.
Yeah, because normally what they do, they're All Aboard Express. They normally open up space in a mall and people go there. But now it's convention level. So sobrang taba ng puso namin as gamers. Hindi kami nag-aaway masyado this time. Pero pag uwi, mag-aaway kami.
Yeah, we still argued on the way home.
Yeah, we will bicker as we normally do. What were the highlights for you?
The tournaments, they were really good. They were so much fun. You could see a lot of people from like really young ones joining. Like I think I had a 9-year-old.
What tournaments did you join?
I joined King of Tokyo. That was a lot of fun. Dice rolling, and then Harmonies. And then there were other tournaments. I hear that the Unmatched tournament had 80 participants. That's a lot.
While they were here until 10 o'clock last night.
Yes. And Harmonies had like 48
wow.
participants. So
how many rounds?
So 4 rounds.
4 rounds.
Including the final round. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And the prizes were so worth it, like all the swag.
Looter.
Yeah, so I loved the King of Tokyo. I think they had an Ibong Adarna exclusive.
Yeah, a country exclusive
monster for King of Tokyo. I enjoyed that.
What did you get for Harmonies?
For Harmonies, they gave out the T-Rex spirit animal. So it was so good. Everyone enjoyed it. Everyone who was part of the tourneys felt that they didn't lose at all.
Buti ka pa, nanalo ka ng swag. I won stickers for playing that sound game on stage with a beatboxer.
We don't sound.
That was fun. But stickers, what am I gonna do with stickers? I can't play with them.
Next year you have to join. And next year you have to train me.
Train you for what?
Tourneys.
For what game?
Whatever game. Because you didn't train me. You didn't train me. I lost.
She's blaming me for her loss. Ikaw talaga. Crazy.
But it was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
The organizer of the event, si Hans Fernandez, says that this will be happening every year for the next 3 years. At least, I think that's a contract, a commitment they have with the Quezon City government, and that bodes well for the gaming community here in the Philippines, especially in Quezon City. They want Quezon City to be the board game capital of Southeast Asia.
Oh, by the way, there were participants and tourneys that came all the way from Baguio, Laguna, Tagaytay.
Oh,
I know because I talked to all of them.
Okay.
And they had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So, dinayo talaga.
Ganun, masaya talaga. So, thank you, Hans, for organizing this. Thank you, Mayor Joy Belmonte, for giving your support to the board gaming community. It means a lot to us. So, more power to the Quezon City government, the gaming library, and to all the gamers out there.
See you next year.
Or no, we're gonna make videos.
No, I mean to say see you
here next year.
Them again next year at the next All Aboard.
Yeah, we will have more fun.
Spread the word.
More
gamers, more.
Yeah, no, you have a year to save up, to read up on the new board game, so you know the rules, so that when you join tournaments, gagalingan nyo na.
Pwede.
She played tournaments. I did demos for us for our main game, A Song of Ice and Fire. Kaya wala na akong boses, but I'd like to thank all of those who sat with us and played with us. So madami kaming na-demohan, and sana nakabudol kami because we want our particular community of A Song of Ice and Fire to grow.
Yes.
Yun.
Mukhang madami naman eh. Mukhang there were a lot of girls who got
Yeah,
demos.
a lot of girls got demos.
And they enjoyed it. So
Mhm.
I hope to see you girls next time.
She will be your coach. I will coach your boyfriends.
We'll beat the boys. It's okay.
Well, yeah, maybe. Anyway, this is Carlo
This is Amy.
signing off from All Aboard Expo 2025. See you next year.
See you next year.